like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys. Today I'm coming at you with a small girls Kong Wholesale toy box. And I said I only got the small because they were out of the large. I have a large boy one coming and I'm a little crock-eyed there, but I'm trying not to mess with it too much because it's still sensitive. I fixed it, but it's still sensitive. Okay, and this one I paid $63.75 for, and I will be honest with you, my girls, the baby girls, I still haven't gotten their toys. I've gotten Daniel's and a few things for Ray, but I haven't got their toys. I've gotten an outfit for each kid. So I'm trying to, hopefully, this will help finish that up and I can put the rest in my store. But they are very quick turnaround. I mean, I ordered this, I think, Wednesday and I got it Monday. So anyhow, I don't like wearing these because they reflect back at you. But the first thing is Our Generation doll outfits, and those sell. So that will go to the store. Because they're too little for my girls anyway. Too old for my girls anyway. And this one is Squishmallows Original Patty Farmer's Market. And yeah, Squishmallows go. Squishmallows are... But I don't want to give the too little of stuff to... Even to Okie. She's 3, but her little sister's almost 2. So I still don't want to do... Oh, look at this. This is Our Generation Doctor set. That's cute. Yeah. This heat is killing me. Having the heat on has got me all dried out. Sore throat. I'm trying though. Now this is Wish. This is a Wish doll. And it's Asha. And collect both. But these are the smaller ones that kind of look like Bratz dolls. And so I might give that to Oak. Here's a Roxy doll. Oh, look at this. There's a Roxy doll. I might put that up for see how the girls feel about that. Then I have Our Generation Dalmatian Pup. Our Generation Husky Pup. Here's a Barbie, and it's just, are these really how they're making Barbies now? Oh, this is terrible. No wonder Barbie's going broke. That's terrible. Compared to the ones we played with. Look, her arms her arms permanently bent. Do her feet even have the heels? I don't know. This is terrible, but it does look like Barbie. But it's out of the package, and it's got a stethoscope. But this is Barbie now. No wonder they're going broke. Mattel, what are you doing? That was your icon. You should have kept up with her. Okay. Now enough of my ranting about Barbie. And this is Gabby's Dollhouse. And this is another one of those, what is it? Nickelodeon, YouTube. It's DreamWorks is what it is. But it's... ABC Kids, they all have them. They all have their own line. And this is Barbie's Family and Friends. Okay, we're going to say, okay. Wasn't the fun of Barbie because she was single and didn't have to deal with kids? Here's a Disney princess. And it's Belle. And she has a bottle. These things are expensive too. Disney's killing us. Here's a Barbie, mini Barbie. And here's another mini Barbie. These are 89 cents on clearance. Was $2.99. And then we got Lilo and Stitch figure maker. Which figure mold will you get? Of course you have to take the clearance markers off. But that's okay. These were clearance for $1.79 originally. $6.99. So I'll sell them for $3. $3 or $4. The kids will think it's great. So that's this box. I know, I'm trying to get bustled. I'm gonna get there, I swear I am. Not having more treatment, so I'm good for that until after Christmas. So come on back, like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.